So, so the tissues. So the tissues in multicellular animals, a group of similar cells, along with some intercellular substance, perform a specific functions. They are the tissues. A group of similar cells that forms a tissue and performs a specific function. So these are the tissues. They consist of four basic types of tissues. Okay. They exhibit the division of labor and contribute the survival. They shows the division of labor, means the partitions. Our heart, like okay, in body there are one or more types of tissues. For example, our heart consists of all the four types of tissues: the epithelial tissue, connective tissues, muscular tissue, and neural tissue. Our heart consists of all the four types of tissues. Morphology refers to study of form or external visible features that we can see in our naked eyes. The study refers to the morphology. In anatomy, it is the internal structure, the study of the internal structure. Okay, in here written that the word anatomy conventionally is used for the study of the morphology of internal organs in the animals. Frog shows the frogs can camouflage, that is ability to change the color to hide them from their enemies is camouflage. This protective coloration is called the mimicry. It's kind of the mimicry, and like they undergo the summer sleep is estivation, winter sleep is hibernation. Why they go into this kind of adaptation? Because during this period they take shelter in deep burrows to protect them from extreme heat and cold. Very important, to protect them from extreme heat and cold. So in frog, like the RBCs, they are nucleated in frogs, and that contain the red color pigment. It is protein, namely the hemoglobin. And the lymph is different from blood because it lacks few proteins and RBCs. The blood carries nutrients, gases, and water to the respective cells during the circulation. There is special venous connection between the liver and intestine, as well as the kidney and lower parts of the body. That the former is hepatic portal system and the latter one is renal portal system. Hepatic portal system and the renal portal system between the kidney and the lower parts of the body. Blood is composed of plasma and cells. Frog also has a WBCs and or leukocytes. Leukocytes are WBCs are leukocytes. They also have the platelets just like humans, but their RBCs are nucleated. Unlike in humans, they are not nucleated, and they are the closed type of circulatory system. And their heart is muscular heart present in the upper part of the body cavity. Their heart has three chambers. Their heart has three chambers. The two atria and one ventricle. They also have the pericardium. Sinus venosus is a triangular structure, joins the right atrium, and this receives the blood through the major veins called vena cava, and the ventricles open into a sac like conus arteriosus on the ventral side of the heart. Now blood from the heart is carried to all the parts of the body by the arteries, arterial system and venous system. There are two types of system in here. Arterial, that blood delivers to all the parts of the body, where in venous system it taken from all the parts of the body, kind of deoxygenated bloods. So okay, just summarize that. The triangular structure is sinus venosus, okay, and the ventricle, it is conus arteriosus. The ventricle opens into a sac like conus arteriosus on the ventral side of the heart. Okay, so remember this. The frog has weightage again in Neet 2026.